So hello everyone, welcome back. So the topic will be continuing this video will be the variable only. I have given that quick introduction to the what is exactly variables are. So we will study more about variables and more about input commands in this lecture. Okay. So without wasting any sort of time, let's jump up to the topic. Okay. Here we are having our console. Okay. Just first write our code. Okay. We do not waste our time in upcoming videos. Yeah, we will do some part of some sort of joke. Okay. But we will do it about while teaching only. Okay. Just small request. Just do simultaneously coding while I'm doing it on my terminal. You also do it. Do it. Okay. So let's go. So the first code we will do. See, I have written a print here. Okay. What should I write? Print. Uh, yeah. Give me suggestion. I'm enter or not an enter. Type in your name. Yeah, perfect. Type in your name. So what will user do? User will type his or her name. Okay. So how it will gonna type? Okay. I will just show you. The first input command that I have given in the first lecture, previous lecture. Okay. How it was? It was like n equals to not here, n equals to integer input. Yeah, this was the previous command when we are inputting the number numerical data. But at this point of time, lastly we are wanting the that enter some sort of number. But at this time we are want some sort of text or string. Okay, so that's why the data type that we have written here, it is wrong. We have to write here string, huh? Because the input that is submitted by the user, it should be complete converted into the string data type, not an integer data type. So I will simply write here string. Yeah. So I have written here string. You can clearly see that. So I will run the program. Okay. So type in your name. The program has not been completed yet. Cursor is waiting for us. So what will I do? I will write my name. Okay. So program is completed now. As I have not given any instruction further to print the same, I will give it. I will write print n. So what will be it get printed? Whatever the name I will give to the compiler or the computer. Okay. I will give the name my name. Okay. So what will be printed? This is the name that I have given. This is the name that is printed by the compiler or the computer. Okay. So just go one scale more complex. Okay. What will I do? I will just write here hello. Okay. Hello. Whatever will be the name of the user. I will write how in double inverted comma. Sorry, this mistake need to be see here. Okay, this mistake can be done by you also. It is always necessary that YouTuber or any professor do the mistake in the classes. That just need not to be perfect. We should not edit any video that has gone wrong due to some any error. At the end, yeah, every teacher is a human. Okay, they will do some sort of error only. Okay, so you should not edit it. You should just demonstrate as it is because from the mistakes we all learn a lot in life also in programming also. Okay, so hello, the name will become in the middle, and then how are you? Yeah, how are you? uh, so we will just yeah, type in your name. What is my name? Wait a minute, I will type my name here. Okay. Yeah. Hey, what is it? Hello Villa, how are you? That's how we frame the questions. Frame the whenever some electronic charge or anything, any chatbot doing the same thing with us with the help of programming that has been programmed by the programmer during building of that particular program. Okay, there is a lot of program. Okay, so sorry for that. Maybe I'm sound some sort of boring right now because it's been at 2 a.m. in the night. Okay, I have to record my video because okay, I will bounce back myself. Okay, within no time. Give me some 1 minute of okay, fine, yeah. So next, what will we see? We will see print the same type in your name. Next time, what you will do? Just whoever from the medical field, especially, go to him or her. Just tell him or her. Just hide this input command and just show him or her the output command console and start to whatever the message you have to convey to them. Like if you confess to someone or you have to say to someone in more good nice way, you can write it like this. Okay, but to those who doesn't understand program. Okay, okay, for those only, especially from medical background. If you have someone special from other background than tech, then go for it. My tip. Okay, yeah, I'm back now. Okay. So print type in your name. So what will the user programmer do? Take an input from the user. Yeah, obvious. So I will write n equals to n equals to what I will write. N equals to, yeah, say integer, not at all. I will write string. Okay, n equals to string. That is str. I will take input. Yeah, I have taken the input. Yes, that's the great one. Okay, I have taken the input. Now what the next? Suppose I have to ask to him or her print what should they print? They should print where or which place are you in? Yeah, that's the perfect. Which place are you in? Question mark. Okay. So user will also give answer to the same in string format only. Yeah, obviously string format. Wait a minute. That's all. If anyone watching this video seriously, okay, I will run the program first. Okay, you will know what is the mistake I have done. Okay, type in your name. I will type my name here. Yeah, I have typed my name. Which place are you in? Suppose I am right now in Amravati. Yeah. So anything get printed? Not at all. Just tell me why does the n we have determined or defined n here? Okay, where n represent the name which user has given. Okay, why the here also n get not printed as Vidhan only? Why not? Because it acts like a bucket. Whenever you put something, it gets accumulate. It it just overwrite the data that already present in it. Okay, that's the perfect one. Overwrite. Okay, so that was I was trying to tell. Okay, I was trying to tell more thing. Let me write one statement for that. Print. Okay. So what should I write? Hello. Yeah. Hello now friend. I want to make friend. Okay. Using this command from non-tech background. Okay. I will frame the talk for her or him. Okay. Hello. So here my name comes. Okay. So I will ask about him to expand my conversation with a special word, that is how's the weather. Yeah, how is the weather. How is the this Yeah, how is the weather. That is the perfect. How is the weather in where I live in. And okay, so hello, and how is the weather in, or I can write that how is the weather in, or yeah, I can write. This is not grammatically correct. I can do question mark here. Yeah, now it's grammatically correct. Okay, but before I'm talking, it gives error. Okay, why should it gives error? I will tell you. Okay, it should give error. Let me write my name first. Type your name. I'm very happy someone has bring me like this. I have typed my name. So he's asking which place are you in. So I will tell I'm in Amravati. Okay. So hello Amravati. How is the weather in Amravati? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, told to you in the previous one only. That whatever the n's recent value is, that is only get printed. Okay. For that, we have to just substitute another variable, or just I'll write here p. So it will come p. Yeah, such a funny thing happen here. Hello Amravati, how is the weather in Amravati? That's the radio Mirchi says that hello Mumbai, good morning Mumbai, like that. Hello Amravati, okay, like that. Okay, that's it. Now it will be perfect now. Okay, suppose I am the PM. No, I am not PM. Suppose I am the Amitabh. Yeah, Amitabh Bachchan. And Amitabh, which place are you in? Suppose he is living. I'm just Mumbai. Hello Amitabh, how is weather in Mumbai? Yeah, I have asked the question to Amitabh Bachchan directly. Yeah, that's my power, you know. Okay, the edit it. I want to edit it more. Okay, what should I add? Okay, you can clearly see that there is a gap between Mumbai and question mark. Okay, the P and the question mark. You can just reduce that gap by using the format specifier. This word is very new to you. Just keep in mind, or explore it on Google. It is a self-learning thing, but I will explain you in the upcoming videos. Okay. The format specifier is the thing that we can use for reducing the gap between question mark and the Mumbai. Yeah, just understand that. The next, what will I ask? Suppose I will ask to him or her print. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. I have done the mistake that I have not written the correct spelling of print. What is age? Okay, what is the age? I was asked to my user. Okay, so what is the age? He will reply something in numerical or in string. Yeah, of course in numerical. So it will be like m equals to, no, I'm not. Age equals to, what will be integer. Okay, integer. It will like a value integer. I don't know. You have to write here input first. Yeah. Okay. So what is the age? The age equal to it. So what will I say to talk to him or her via computer? So to expand the conversation further, I will say, what will I say? Good to know. Good to know uh, that you are age. Yes. Age. Yes. Good. We'll run this. So first, what is my name? My name is Mr. Khan. Okay. So my name is Vidhan. Which place are you in? Mumbai, right? I'm in Amravati, but hello Vidhan, how is the weather in Mumbai? Actually, I don't know because I have not written the input command there. So as I'm not from now in Mumbai, that's why I will not answer that. Okay. So what is my age? My age is 20. So what he said, good to know that you are 20 years old. Wow, someone said that at least. Okay. So here we will end up the session today. So sorry, this lecture must be boring for you. Just I want to simultaneously practice with me the coding practice. Okay. There maybe not. There are other YouTubers also who only teaches on Blackboard and do the theoretical knowledge, but that's not enough. You should know how to write and code first. Okay. While writing the code, you understand all the things. Now you have already. I'm not taught you specially about print and specially about input. I'm not gone through that. But I have told you while coding itself. Okay. And what is the use? How will you use it? And that's I want to be. Okay. You should learn that. Okay. So we will come back tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow because I don't have time now. Up to 5 days, I think so. Okay. So bye. Share this video. Subscribe. I hope many of the students don't come up to this end of the video session. Okay. I just want to share, just support everyone, whoever coming up, whoever struggling hard, achieving his or her goal. Just support them by liking, sharing. Just do not ignore them. That do not get jealous that he or she is going in front. Okay, just I'm telling you that. Just share my video. Okay, that will be more helpful for me. Just send me the screenshot on Instagram or my WhatsApp. It will be the best gift in my life. Okay, so thank you.